there, Glam Crew. It's me, Gigi. Welcome back to Down for Glam. What we're going to do today, as you can see from that little nail up there, is some ombre. We're doing a very bright pink, orange, and yellow ombre. And I'm only going to force you to watch me do one nail, and then the rest will be done for you. I'm a weirdo. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and just ombre these colors together. They are not, this is the Mefa Perfect 20 set, and you can see the pink is number 5, the yellow is number 13, and I'm sure you'll see the orange at some point. Maybe it already showed and I didn't notice. They are not the most opaque of polishes, so this did take 3 coats to get full. I'm not even sure I want to say full opacity, like 85 to 90% opacity. It looks pretty good on camera, but when you look at it in person, you can definitely still slightly see through it. 2 of the nails, the orange is number 4. There it was. 2 of the nails, we're just going to do a full color, one in the pink and one in this orange. I love that orange color. I think it is gorgeous. Sorry, I'm a little low there for a moment, and then I come right back up. But they do ombre together pretty nicely, I will say. And if you go over a little, that's okay. You can take some off. It's not a big deal. That's why we're the cleanup queens, right? Queens and kings, or any denomination of anything you like, prince, princess, empress, emperor, whatever you want to be. I'm just going to go ahead and say, that's cool to me. And I'm just doing my normal ombre technique where I just flick the colors together, flickety flick, flick, flick. And I do wipe my brush off. Sorry, I'm a little out of frame putting that yellow on, but I know you know what that looks like, so I know you're going to forgive your Gigi. But like I was saying, I do wipe my brush off in between the color combos, but also if it gets too clogged with polish, right? You want a clean brush to make those flicks. Now what we're going to do is just make some palm trees. 3 of the nails, all the ombre nails are going to have the palm trees, but I'm only going to show you 2 because again, it's the same process over and over, so you don't want it to be too repetitive. I'm just making the shape of the trunk, and then I'm coming in with this smaller brush and filling in the space because it's sort of a, I know you've seen these nails before. I'm not trying to do an exact replica of the palm trees. It's just, you know, like if you were in the distance and you see them black against the sky. I didn't like how far I went with that, so I'm just coming in with my famous cleanup brush. Well, I don't know if it's famous, but it's my cleanup brush. One of them. I have many. I have many brushes, and a lot of them get used for cleanup from time to time. I'm just smoothing that out a little bit. Now, I suppose I could have done a flash cure before I did these, what are the fronds? They're fronds. I was like, what are those called on palm trees? Fronds. But I didn't. And so what I did was just make the line for the stem of the frond. I assume that's a stem of the frond. And then just coming through with a still wet brush and using that polish also from the stem to pull out and make would those be called leaves? The leaves of the frond? I don't know. Maybe I should have looked that up, guys. I'm sorry. I am not versed in the parts of the palm tree. Honestly, I'm not even that big of a fan of palm trees. The palm trees I like are the shorter ones that have like 3 or 4 trunks coming out and then really pretty, almost pom-pom-like palm fronds. I think those are the prettiest ones. I forget what they're called, maybe Sega or something. These kind are not my favorite. I also like I think these are the, one kind is the male, one kind is the female, and the one that has the bigger top with the round thing, that's the ones I like better. I forget which one or which. That's the first one. I want to tell you guys, I didn't practice this before I tried it. I just watched a few videos of other people doing palm tree nails, and I was like, oh, let's just give it a try. And so you are actually watching my very first attempts to do these nails. And I did come in and do one thing that was a little bit different than some folks did, which is not a big deal or anything. It just felt like it would be really cute, and I like the effect it made. So when we get to that, I will say what I did. But here we are coming in with that second palm tree. Now we're going to make those frond stems. I still feel really insecure calling the parts of them anything. I hear my dog in the other room. My dog is so upset, you guys. The fleas love to eat him, and I put the flea stuff on him, but I had to order it last night, and he went, sorry, that is my phone going off. He went outside and sat in the dirt last night, and so some fleas got on him, and he's due for his flea meds, but they won't be here till Wednesday. So he is so upset, and I came outside, I'm like, he's sitting in the dirt, biting his butt because the fleas are eating him, but he can't connect because he's a dog, that the thing that's causing his problem is the thing that he's doing, sitting in the dirt. So I go out there and I'm like, Jacob, get out of that dirt. And so he thinks I'm mad at him, which I'm not mad, but I am frustrated because when he's unhappy, I'm unhappy. And when he can't sleep, I can't sleep. I ordered his stuff, and I have Prime, so it'll be here on Wednesday. But between now and Wednesday, he's going to be upset because no matter what I do to get them off, it's not a complete job until you get the flea stuff, right? Okay, so here's the other thing I said I was going to do. I just took the tiniest bit of that silver cream, solid cream gel, which is the same as the black that we made them with, and I just sort of, with a very, not wet, dry, see, I'm not grabbing much, just sort of a dry brushing technique through the fronds, and then I do a little bit on the trunks as well, just to give almost, like, you know how the light will, whether it's the sun going down or whatever, it just sort of makes things glisten in certain situations, and I just felt like the palm fronds would look so pretty like that, and so that's why I did it. And I actually ended up really enjoying the effect. So I wasn't sure until I finished if I was going to keep it, and I was like, yeah, I'm going to keep it. And then I think once you get the top coat on there, it's really cute. So these other two, rather than just leave them plain, I decided to take that silvery, whitish sort of chrome polish. I'm sorry, I'm a little low there. And rub that into the surface with some top coat on it. And I do go back over it with my finger a little bit, like you saw, because it really just gives it more of a smooth, complete finish. It doesn't look like glitter, right? If you don't do that, there's sort of a glitter quality to it, but if you do that, it does look more chromy, right? So now we're going to come in with some top coat. Guys, this is a very bright set. I think that this would really, even if you just did one of these nails as an accent on just a black set or a pink set, it would be really pretty. But I thought it would be really fun to just go crazy with the set. Let me know in the comment section. Would you wear something like this? Is this up your alley? I think I would. Okay, guys, thank you so much for coming by today. I really do appreciate it when you come by to see the videos. This is the completed set, all top coated and pretty. We will see you on Friday. Have a wonderful day. Mwah! Bye, guys.